I was ready to give up, and Dennis was like, just keep looking, don't give up, just keep looking. And then I found this place. Hi, my name is Leslie Michelli. I'm the owner of Maple and Metal, a personalization laser engraving studio and DIY workshop located in Etna, PA. I'm able to laser engrave in wood, metal, and acrylic, leather, along with some other items. Most popular are wood items, and my most requested items tend to be laser engraved photos for special occasions, weddings, engagements, memorials for pets and for loved ones. It brings me so much happiness to be able to make gifts that evoke emotion. And a lot of the times the customer pretty much designs it from beginning to end, through pictures. Do you like this color? Do you like this font? So that makes the gift truly one that the customer has created and allows me to bring their vision to life. Duquesne SBDC has helped me in so many ways. First, I've taken a lot of courses online that I felt have been very beneficial and have opened up pathways to my thinking that I wouldn't have really thought about before. By career, I'm a social worker, and I bought my first laser as a stress relief. And then it grew and it grew into people wanting engravings and things such as that. And then I continued to buy more machines. But I was doing this out of my home, in my spare bedroom, and we called my living room receiving because all the packages were there. So working with Dennis and Duquesne's SBDC, it has been remarkable in getting me on the path of where I needed to go. So different locations I looked at, I discussed with Dennis. There was one that I was going to go into that was less than half the size of this. I never would have fit. So just the patience, and I do believe, no I don't, I know this for certain, that I was ready to give up. And Dennis was like, just keep looking, don't give up, just keep looking. And then I found this place. So the encouragement, thank you very much, was I'll just never be able to put it into words. Getting this all set up has just been something that I never imagined was something that could be done at, no cost to me, which as a new business owner, that's extremely important.